Well, today we are going to go ahead and build the Boba Fett buildable figures. It is 144 pieces and it's kit number 75533. And this has been retired. If you do want this Lego set, you can find it on eBay and sometimes on Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box here. I like to really make sure that I don't wreck the box. I save all the boxes. This is Jedis for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians. And if you want to find the truth, that is where you look. This cape. Alright, we have 3 bags for this set. And then the directions. And the bags are not labeled. And I really don't have many comments about if you want me to show you the directions while I'm building this. So all I'm gonna do is show you the first page, and that is it. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this together by stop motion. So let's go ahead and get started here. I like to keep everything separate on paper plates. And then the last one is the biggest bag. Alright, that's got to be another one of those special Lego pieces that is pretty awesome, the helmet. And then the other one was the Darth Vader helmet. So we'll just keep that in the bag there. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and take this helmet out. There you go. Look at that, pretty neat. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.